take 67 and action.
Last week I bought a pair of shoes. This one.
What are you doing?
Right here.
No, don't. Oh my fucking god. You lame ass piece of shit.
It's a K-Swiss called Classic 88 Knit Clouds and Dirt. It's a collaboration with Gary Vee. If you don't know who Gary Vee is,
you're a fucking loser.
I highly recommend you go on Google or YouTube and type Gary Vee or Gary Vaynerchuk. The reason why I bought these shoes is firstly, I like Gary Vee. I think he's a nice person.
That's a good one. I like that one.
And secondly, pure nostalgia. When I was back in high school, all the cool kids, older kids, used to wear them. Not the Clouds and Dirt, but the K-Swiss. It was typically a white leather version, but I didn't have any money to afford it.
You still don't.
So I couldn't, and eventually I completely forgot about the existence of the brand. Until recently, when Gary Vee announced that he collaborated with K-Swiss, I had to buy one. This was my time to shine, and so I finally purchased my pair. I've never owned a K-Swiss before in my life, so this is quite a special moment for me. I guess you could say this is a two birds, one stone situation for me. Because first of all, I finally get to own a pair of K-Swiss shoes while showing my admiration for Gary Vee. So it's a win-win. And the price point for the shoes weren't that bad either. It was exactly $100, which is not so bad compared to Nike or Adidas or other brands. So I have the shoes with me right now, so I'm going to open it up and see what's inside.
Yeah, probably a pair of shoes maybe, you fucking retard.
So here's the shoe box. I very much like the design of the shoe box already. It's clean, very stylish. I like Gary Vee's signature actually. It's very simple but very clean in my opinion. Size 9. I'm not sure if this will fit me. I think I should be size 9 or 10 depending on the shoe, but we'll see. It says low here, assuming that this is a low top shoe. I hope they do a high top shoe as well one day. So I'm gonna open it up now. So this is very cool. On the lid of the box, you can see skies with clouds with his signature. Very neat. Wrapping paper covered in his signature, which is very cool, I think. Yep, so here's the shoe. Looking nice. Here's the other pair. I actually admire this a lot. I don't know what this thing is here. I actually have no idea what this is. It's just a piece of cardboard that's in here. I guess they wanted to protect the shoes from getting damaged or being shuffled around in the box. I have no idea. But yes, as I was saying, this is very cool. So on the bottom of the shoe box, there's dirt. And then on the lid of the shoe box, there's clouds and skies and his signature here. So clouds and dirt, possibly representing success and failure. I don't know. Maybe I need to go listen to his podcast more often. But I'm pretty sure that's the general idea of what he's trying to say here. You gotta eat some dirt before you reach the clouds and reach the top. That's why his signature is here, not here. But I think I like this a lot. That's very well thought out and very cool, in my opinion. Now let's actually take a look at the shoes. So again, another discovery I'm making right now. This is very cool. Inside, the left side is clouds and skies. The other side is dirt. That's great. That's actually really amazing. I'm impressed by the details and the thought that went into these. I'm glad that the left side of the shoe is the cloud in the sky because I'm a lefty. Well, at least my foot and leg, when I play soccer or football, whatever you want to call it, I kick the ball with my left. So it's better for the left feet to be the sky than being a dirt, I guess. On the tongue as well, you see the signatures. One represents the sky, one represents dirt. But that's both him. So he's tasted dirt, but also he tastes the sky and the rainbows and Skittles, probably. So I like that. I like the concept. And the stripes, the signature K-Swiss stripes, clouds, dirt, clouds, dirt, clouds. I like it. And of course, the whole thing is knit. See the K-Swiss logo at the back here. Oh, that is just incredible. I almost forgot to mention this because I saw this online, but yeah, this is great. So at the bottom, on the bottom of the sole, it says the mission, the motive, the macro. That's the left side, which is great. Yeah, it says something different on the right side here. On the right it says the work, the grind, the hustle. I love that. That is just great. There we go. Oh, and I also discovered that on the back of the tongue, I guess that's what you call it, where the clouds and skies are, it says clouds in blue, but on the dirt side, it actually says dirt in brown. That's just great attention to detail and just fun. This is just a fun shoe, I think. So here we go. I'm not even sure if I want to wear these anymore. Not because it looks bad, because they look like fine chocolates, like fine pieces of art, just too good to eat. You just want to look at it forever and admire it. I feel that I should have bought 2 pairs, one for wearing and one for display, but I think they're sold out in my size now. Oh well. I'll just put these on my desk for now.
Okay, wrap it up.
And just admire the piece of art and just look at it whenever I need strength and courage through the hard times.
And cut.
And then one day,
Toby.
when I become super famous and Gary Vee buys the New York Jets,
Toby.
I'm gonna visit his office.
Toby.
And then I'm gonna bring these shoes with me.
That's enough.
I'm gonna shake his hand.
You're talking
and
too
then
much
say,
shit again.
I admire you so much. Will you please sign these shoes?
Okay, Toby, that's enough.
And then we're gonna have so much fun talking
you know
about
what?
stuff.
Fuck this.
And then who knows, he might even invite me onto his podcast session. I'll even prepare a formal speech for him, just in case I get invited to his house in the Hamptons.